Modern production facility. Quality production. Experienced and expert team. On-time delivery. Sustainable manufacturing solutions. Innovation. Domestic and national leading tissue paper machine manufacturer of Turkey. DDC Machinery. As DDC Machinery, we set out to shape the future of the paper production sector with the aim of becoming one of the pioneer companies of Turkey in the production of paper converting machines and representing our country all over the world in this field. On this path that we embarked on with years of knowledge and experience, today we are manufacturing the highest quality and efficient machines for the paper production sector with our experienced and professional team in our modern production facility, equipped with the latest technology in an area of 3,000 square meters in Kocaeli, Dilovası. As DDC Machinery, we are focused on winding, slitting, cores, cutting machines, and accumulator production, installing automatic high-speed non-stop toilet paper and towel production lines, manufacturing various machines for industrial products, tissue machines, and dispenser towel production lines. Taking paper production from art to engineering, we turn each piece of paper into a symbol of perfection with our innovative technologies and work for the clean world of the future with our environmentally friendly machines. In this journey that we started with the vision of domestic and national production, we leave a mark on the future with each new machine. With our commitment to innovation and quality, we're determinedly moving towards our goal of becoming the world's leading tissue paper machine manufacturer. DDC Machinery.